Greetings from Nova Auto Sales. Up for sale today, this 2015 Chevy Malibu LS. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in great shape. Let's give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle inside and out. Beautiful shape. Okay, let's take a close look here. From bumper and lights look really nice. Great condition. Beautiful shape. Very nice. It's got a small little touch up here and here. Besides that, looks good. Lights are in great shape. This light has a little bit of imperfection on it. Just needs a little buff or whatever. Looks good. Hood's in great condition. Very nice. Beautiful shape throughout. Really great condition. Taking a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Very nice. It does have a small little dent right there. Looks good overall. Driver door's in beautiful shape. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Look at the paint on there. Looks nice. Rear door on the driver's side looks good. Very nice condition. It's got a little touch up here. Small little tiny dent right there. Besides that, looks good. Quarter panel on the driver's side looks good. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Rear bumper's in beautiful shape. Very nice. Lights look good. Let's take a close look there. Beautiful condition throughout. Really great. Trunk lid looks good. Very nice. Quarter panel on the passenger side looks good. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. Rear door on the passenger side also in beautiful shape. Passenger door in the front looks good. Very nice condition. Really nice shape overall. Taking a look here at the front fender on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice. Let's take a look at the windshield. The windshield's in beautiful shape. Don't see any cracks or chips on it. Very clean. Take a look at the roof. Roof's in beautiful shape also. Very nice. Really great condition. All right, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. This is the driver door panel. Door panel's in great shape. Very nice condition. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look at all the controls. Very nice. Driver seat's in beautiful condition. Really great shape. Rugs are clean. Does have a small little crack right here on the plastic. Dashboard, steering wheel, all in beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Take a look at the armrest. Beautiful condition throughout. Take a look at the passenger seat. Also in beautiful shape. Really nice condition overall. Rugs are clean, beautiful condition. Okay, we're looking at the driver's side rear door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, very nice shape. Really outstanding condition. Take a look at the rear seat, also in beautiful shape. Very nice. Super, super clean. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the rear seat, also in beautiful shape. Really great condition. Okay, we're sitting in this 2015 Chevy Malibu LS. Gonna go ahead and start this baby up. Starts up perfect, no issues at all. Look at that. All the gauges go up and down, all the check engine lights and all the warning lights turn on and off. That means everything's perfect on the vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Mileage is 67,027 miles. Very nice, good mileage for a 15. All right, let's take a look at some of the features on it. So we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We got automatic lights here in the front. That's the high beam, low beam. Cruise control on the steering wheel. I believe this car does have steering wheel radio controls here. Controls for the wipers. Automatic transmission, manual shift modes here on top. You want to put it on manual. AC looks good. The AC controls, radio controls. Very nice. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Let's take a closer look here. Really beautiful shape. It's brand new. That's the display for the radio controls, AC controls, traction control. Got a plug there for charging your phone or whatever. Hazard, little pockets here. Emergency brake. It's really clean inside, very nice. Courtesy lights here on top. Look at that. It's got OnStar. Really nice condition. All right. Pretty much does all the features inside. Really in nice shape. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. Okay, we have it in drive already. Let's go ahead and take it for a little spin. Here we go. Drives nice and smooth. Really nice pickup. Goes pretty quick. Super smooth, really nice drive. Let's check the brakes real quick here. Stops perfect, steering will stay straight. Really nice. Really great drive. Turns really nice. Very smooth. That's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires and take a look under the hood. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area back here. Cargo area is in clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Taking a close look here. Beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in beautiful condition, looks good. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in good shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire looks good. Good amount of tread in there. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice. Okay, we're looking at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks good. Really nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2015 Chevy Malibu LS. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really in great shape. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information, novaautosales.net. Thanks for watching.